All right, here's a question. What does luxury listening sound like? Well, when Apple released the AirPods Max in 2020, they redefined the term premium listening or luxury listening. And now in 2025, they are still regarded as one of Apple's premium products. And within the headphone space, at least, the AirPods Max is at most one of the more expensive, luxurious headphones you can get out there. But the question is, now in 2025, are the AirPods Maxes actually that luxurious, and are they even worth it for that hefty price you have to pay just to listen to some music? Well, let's break it down. When it comes to design, the AirPods Maxes is undoubtedly a statement piece. And Apple's attention to detail here is unmatched. From the aluminum ear cups to the breathtaking knit canopy, every material exudes premium quality. The build is rock solid. However, though, when it comes to actually having the AirPods Maxes on your head, sometimes they might be too heavy for some users, while other users can actually have them for a longer period of time. In my personal case, I can use it throughout the whole day without being affected. But for my girlfriend, for instance, she tends to take them off or can't even use them because for her head, they tend to be a bit too heavy. The premium feeling compared to the functionality of the headphones is a debatable topic when it comes to pure design aesthetics. Furthermore, in regards of the design, these things can't be turned off. So they are always on all the time, just draining battery. Now, the battery life itself is amazing, which I will come to later, but just the fact that you can't just switch them off and put it in a bag and let them stay there is a bit of an issue, especially now that the AirPods Maxes 2 are out and that function isn't there yet. Now, if you're curious about the silicone protection that I have on my AirPods Maxes, the links for these are in the description. There are a variety of colors that you can actually choose from, all from black, white, blue, green, purple, whatever you feel. I'm rocking the white ones, and for me, they have been absolutely amazing to use. They're super easy to just take off and wash and clean and put them back on. And it really helps, especially during those rainy or cold periods, just keep your AirPods Maxes protected. Now, what about sound quality? When it comes to sound quality, I believe that these are amongst the best listening headphones out there. The soundstage is honestly expensive, and you feel that it's expensive and premium, delivering crisp, high, rich mids, and very, very deep and controlled bass. Apple's computational audio, powered by its H1 chips in each ear cups, ensures perfect tailored performance for your environment. And just listening to any kinds of music on these things are just absolutely amazing. The best part is pairing these with your Apple TV, watching movies, getting the 3D audio and the surround sound feel. When you turn your head, the sound follows where you're looking. It's just amazing. And to me, these are probably one of, if not the best sounding headphones out there. Once again, reinforcing the idea of luxury listening. So the spatial audio with its dynamic head tracking transforms your movie and Apple Music experience. It's like having a theater strapped onto your head. Transparency mode is unmatched. It feels so natural. You forget you're even wearing your headphones unless you actually feel the weight of headphones. You also have the active noise canceling. Like traveling with these headphones on a flight is amazing. Just pressing a button, canceling out all the noise, all the babies screaming, all the people arguing in the background, just blurs out, and you can just focus on what you're actually listening to. And that is honestly the best thing about these headphones. One of the reasons why you will actually get such expensive headphones is most often if you're already in Apple's ecosystem. You see, once again, Apple has this bubble of ecosystem where when you already have a few Apple devices, it makes sense to get more and more Apple devices. And these headphones, the AirPods Maxes, are at their absolute best paired with other Apple products. Being able to transfer your movie or what you're listening to from your computer to your TV to your iPhone is just fantastic. Let's say you're watching YouTube on your computer and then you want to switch the sound to your phone. Instantly, you are there. Connecting the AirPods to the computer, to your phone is just seamless. Obviously, you could do the same with other headphones and other earbuds, but Apple has this thing that their devices connects much easier and faster with their products, which is obviously a smart thing to do. So using, let's say, Sony headphones won't work as well as using a Apple created headphones on your Apple device. So how does the AirPods Maxes from 2020 compare to its newer model and other competitors' headphones out there? Well, the new AirPods Maxes offer USB-C and slightly better battery life, but the core experience of just listening to music or watching or listening to audio remains unchanged. While Sony and Bose win on portability and probably price, the AirPods Maxes excel in the ecosystem integration and sound quality and build quality, in my opinion. So if you're somebody who's already invested into Apple's ecosystem, the Apple AirPods Max is honestly tough to beat. So for iPhone users, Mac users, iPad users, the AirPods Max honestly elevates your experience, giving you that premium and luxury feel of listening to good and quality audio. Perfect for both entertainment and your workflow. So are the AirPods Maxes worth it in 2025? Well, it honestly depends on the ecosystem and workflow that you have. If you're already within the Apple's ecosystem, it will be natural if you're considering to buy a headphone to actually get the AirPods Maxes. However, if you have different kinds of devices, the hefty price of the AirPods Maxes probably isn't worth it for you. For me, the AirPod Max remains something really special, a luxury listening experience that's hard to match. And with me having only Apple devices that I tend to use, having headphones that match that design and ecosystem is just perfect for my workflow and my entertainment use. So what about you guys out there? Are you guys rocking the AirPods Maxes? Are they in your radar or are they being used by you? Let me know in the comment sections. Or are you using other headphones out there? Let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and obviously subscribe.